guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make my creamy mushroom chicken. This dish is my absolute favorite. You can serve this with a side salad, which I'm going to do today, and if you aren't having a salad you could always add some tomatoes and spinach. So let's get started. These are all of the ingredients that you're going to need for today's recipe. We have half of a red onion, we have 4 cloves of garlic. This is an Italian seasoning mixture. We have thyme, oregano, sage, rosemary, basil, and some others. And then this is 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, half a cup of heavy cream, and then we have our chicken and our mushrooms. If you aren't making a side salad, you could also have spinach and tomatoes. So we have our pan medium to high, and we're just going to add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And we'll now add our chicken. So we're going to cook the chicken for 4 minutes on each side. Just going to add a pinch of salt. So once it's been 4 minutes, then you can flip your chicken. Just adding another pinch of salt. So once the chicken is cooked, we're just going to set it aside for about 5 minutes while we get started on the mushrooms. To the same skillet, we're just going to add a bit of olive oil. And then we're going to add our onions. And our garlic. Once that's browned, then we can add our mushrooms. So we're just going to turn down the heat to a simmer, and then we're going to go grab our chicken and give this a cut. To a simmer, we're just going to add our cream, and then we're going to add some of our seasoning, only about half. So then we're just going to add a bit more cream. We're then going to leave this to simmer while we cut our chicken. So then you can go ahead and add your chicken. So at this point you can add the rest of your Italian seasoning and your cheese. Just start by adding half the amount of cheese, and then we'll mix that around and add the rest. So then you can go ahead and add the rest of your cheese. So we're just letting this simmer for about 5 minutes. If you aren't having a side salad, I recommend adding some tomatoes and spinach during this step, and then we're done. Look at that cheesy chicken mushroom. This dish is ready to serve. So that's it for today's today's video. I hope you enjoy. Make sure to give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.